Hi, Godspeed. This channel is against the current view of astronomy. I cut some video from Neil deGrasse Tyson.
We were delighted, and it did exactly what we expected it to do. So it looked to the edge of the universe, finding galaxies being born, and you could, because it's infrared, it peers through nearby gas clouds. Stars are made of gas. They're made from gas clouds. So when you peer in, you see the stellar nursery that lurks within. And what?
You sound...
I have nothing against him, okay? What he says, it is the well-established, known poem, scientific poem of the current view of the astronomy. I don't have something against him, but he is wrong, okay? And I discovered these things about few years ago. Nobody listens to me. I studied philosophy in Romania, okay? And I discovered something that it is not crazy. It is crazy what you believe right now. But I don't have time to demonstrate only in a simple way, okay? James Webb is a mirror. Okay? You cannot see the universe if the universe would have 13 billion years through a telescope. You could not, okay? A telescope, it is a mirror. It is a telescope. It is formed from two lenses, two glass of spheres, glass cut in half and with different diameters, and by the incidence of the light will go through this and it will be multiplied, so it is a limit range. You cannot see a tank, a military tank, from 1 billion kilometers and a coastal far. This is what I'm telling you, but I'm telling you scientifically that you will understand. Two glass frames cut in half. By the time of the Newton, they were making big telescopes, long, like 10 meters, like to approach the distance to the stars. And Newton said that it will be more small, the telescope, because they were making the 20 meters. So I'm from Europe, so in meters, 20 meters long. I don't know in feet. So he thought to put a mirror in it to collect the light and to multiply it afterwards with that two lenses. But now you will understand that you cannot see through a telescope only one day with the speed of light. So believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. Look.
If you came up to a house and it had a lawn and your vision was not all that good, you say, oh, there's a green carpet, all right, surrounding it. And that's accurate. But if you have better vision, more resolution, you say, wait a minute, there are blades of grass there. So this is an extra detail, deeper than what you had first thought. It doesn't change your view, it adds to it. Not every scientific discovery changes what we thought before. It's accretive.
The second line of the proof, okay? You see me in that, like Webb is a mirror. You see me there, okay? Light diminishes with the square root of the distance. You see the mirror, the images diminishes, and this in the short time will be a point. So you cannot put the universe in a keyhole. You cannot put, I dropped it. I will take another one. You cannot put the universe in a keyhole. You cannot see the universe through a keyhole. You cannot put all the light from the 13 billion years to converging in a point that it is there. Believe me or not, I don't have something against this Neil deGrasse Tyson, but I don't know how to say this anymore, okay? Nobody listens to me. You are being tricked. We cannot see only one day with the speed of light, okay? We cannot see.
As the area of our knowledge grows, so too does the perimeter of our ignorance.
a ship, navigation ship on the ocean. You cannot see the shores or a coastal far, only from some distance. You do not realize this is a mirror. A mirror. This is a mirror, okay? This is a mirror. The image. So this is a mirror, okay? This is a mirror. The image decreases with the square of the distance. You see? In a mirror, it's a dirty mirror, but it is a mirror. The image diminishes. This is a scientifically proof. You cannot deny this. The earth must understand this.
There was one section that didn't give me a standing ovation right there. I don't know what happened.
We'll get him later.
We'll get him later.
We can only see one day with the speed of light. But furthermore, our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by clouds of matter. I know that sounds crazy, but it's crazy what you are saying, okay? I discovered this. I don't have time. I don't know how to tell this anymore. Nobody listens to me. The stars are not forming anymore. They are from metals.
You sound like you're doing the voiceover for like a trailer for a movie. The stellar nursery that lurks within.
In a world. Right,
Exactly.
right.
Is that what we're looking at
Yes,
here?
oh, that's it.
So
Yes, yes.
What is this?
Yes,
my
now I
friend?
want to look at it. Right.
They are not from gases. Okay? Laplace says, against Newton, I don't have to explain to you, okay? But I'm telling you, maybe somebody, I start this channel, I don't need money. I need nothing, okay? I have everything I need. But the earth is strict. I don't want visualization or glory, like, you see, like he likes to be appreciated.
There was one section that didn't give me a standing ovation right there. I don't know what happened.
We'll get him later.
We'll get him later.
Things like this. But I'm telling you the truth. And it is not his fault. Everybody says things like this. Believe me or not, I want to say this for the entire earth. Our galaxy is a sphere and has one day with the speed of light. The solar system is in the middle. And the galaxies, what you believe there are galaxies, are only stars from metals. Our clouds, like Saturn, has a ring with millions of pieces. That are stars with rings. But that stars are only in our galaxy, and we cannot see the universe, only our galaxy. Believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. I don't have any choice but to make some videos that I will speak more rough against these guys, because these guys are tricking the entire earth, and I have the courage, because I understand science. And he in this presentation, at the TV presentation, he says the old things. Laplace invented that the gases congealed and form stars through gravity. Gravity is not attraction.
We were delighted, and it did exactly what we expected it to do. So it looked to the edge of the universe, finding galaxies being born, and you could, because it's infrared, it peers through nearby gas clouds. Stars are made of gas. They're made from gas clouds. So when you peer in, you see the stellar nursery that lurks within. And what?
You sound.
You must believe. If you do not believe me, see my other videos. I explain to you science. If you do not believe me, mirror, mirror on the wall. You cannot see stupidity only from some distance, okay? I'm telling you, I don't have something against Neil deGrasse Tyson, but I believe that maybe somebody will hurt me. I'm telling you the truth, okay? The stars are not forming anymore because gravity is not attraction, and there is not anything that could congeal the clouds. by the known laws. Only atomical boundaries are forming, and they are chemically. If you are saying that the stars is producing chemically, you understand, you will understand. But if you are saying that the stars are being produced gravitationally, you are being wrong, okay? The light diminishes from close, diminishes to the square root of the distance. This is science, and I explain to you. And it's simple like this. But it is science. And simple like this.
Thank you. The Carina Nebula. So this is a gas cloud. Deep within is forming brand new stars. It's a stellar nursery. And it's forming not only stars, but planets in orbit around them. Exoplanets.
From $10 billion, nobody from all that missions has the guts to understand this. You are being tricked, and you are tricking the entire. You are not the one who started these mistakes, but you are the ones who propagate this like poems. Because I know for sure that you don't have science to back up this. I know for sure. Our sky is a sphere surrounded by clouds of matter. And it is being strange to you or not, has only one day with the speed of light. I'm sorry, but you was wrong, and everybody. And you must admit this. The people should understand this, okay? Sooner they will understand, the better it's going to be for the entire planet. You are taking like a poem one to another, and I know science, and I know who invented this. The first who identified the stars with our sun was Giordano Bruno in 1400s. But the stars are not producing flames, are only from light. They are producing only light, and they are alloys in metal, and they are putting some circuit that surrounds our galaxy, electromagnetic circuit. And we cannot see the universe. All of you say this. The universe, you cannot see the universe. Dude, I'm telling you, you cannot put the universe in a mirror. If the universe will have, you cannot make a bijective, surjective, injective function in a mirror like 13.7 billion years to put it in a single mirror. You cannot do this. You must understand that you are being tricked, okay? You are being tricked.
Stars are made of gas. They're made from gas clouds. So when you peer in, you see the stellar nursery that lurks within. And what?
You sound...
I'm sorry, you are not the ones who invented it, but you are the ones who propagate this, okay? So Giordano Bruno said that the stars are like our sun, and Laplace contra Newton said that the gravity, interpreting the gravity not as a force of acceleration due to force and mass, like as a circular quasar rectilineum. He interpreted like you say in these days, that it is attraction. The sun does not attract the earth, and the earth does not attract the sun. The earth has an orbit around the sun with a constant speed, and it is being kept at that speed because all the speeds are consumed with a factor in the earth, with the factor of acceleration of the vector 9.0 meter per second. that consumes the mechanical movement, mechanical work. It is consumed and it stops, and to not be stopped, the earth is kept there through a field, a vectorial field. This is what Newton discovered. That charges the charges through force the movement of the earth. I'm telling you, you cannot trick me. I know science, okay? I know that it sounds strange, but you are lying, okay? And you are not back up this with science, only with stupid poems, okay? Gravity is not attraction. Laplace said that there are gases that he only knew. The only thing that he knew is that the gas is born and produce light. But we produce light without fire. Look, this monitor is not burning. And the stars are metals. They do not have flames. And they are small stars, smaller than the moon. Believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. Billions of stars are smaller than the moon. I'm telling you the truth, okay? Sooner you understand this, the better. You cannot put a universe in a mirror. That's why I named this, okay? It is somehow a clickbait. I don't have something against this guy. And against nobody that I'm going to take on this channel. Okay? But I have to take on them. They are known, and maybe someday these things will be heard, because I'm not joking, and I'm telling you the truth. Our galaxy is a sphere, and he says only one day the sun is in the middle of the center of our galaxy, and it is a sphere surrounded by clouds of matter, 26 billion kilometers, and we cannot see the universe, only this galaxy. Believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. Goodbye, God bless. I don't have something against the Neil deGrasse Tyson. I just want that these things should be heard. Okay, God bless.